Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice problem as we have given ABCD is a rhombus, right? So here we have to find out area of the rhombus if sides of length is equal to 10 centimeter, right? So each side will be 10 centimeter, right? And second condition is diagonals that differ in length by 4 centimeter, right? Let diagonal DB is equal to 2x. DB is equal to 2x, right? DB is equal to 2x. As we know, diagonal intersect at a right angle, right? Okay. If this is 2x, so point of intersection O, so OB will be equal to x and this DO also equal to x, right? This condition, according to this condition, diagonal that differ in length by 4 centimeter. So this OC will be x plus 2 and this also OA will be equal to x plus 2, right? Now the diagonals bisect each other and meet at right angle, right? This. So the rhombus will then consist of 4 congruent right angles triangle, right? So here 4 right angle triangles, this right angle triangle, so here 4 right angle triangle. With each hypotenuse 10 centimeter. Here right angle triangle, if we take this as height and this as base, right? And this will be hypotenuse. Here also hypotenuse 10, here and also here, right? Now if we take triangle OBC, right? So using Pythagoras theorem, OB square plus OC square is equal to BC square, right? So OB as x square plus x plus 2 square is equal to 10 square, right? So x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to 100, right? So 2x square plus 4x minus this and this 96 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0, right? So x square, here x as common, so x plus 8 minus 6 as common, x plus 8 is equal to 0. So x plus 8 and x minus 6 are factors is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 8 and x is equal to 6, right? So we will accept this value, right? Now area of rhombus is equal to 4 into area of right angle triangle area of right angle triangle, right? So 4 into half area OB into OC. So 4 into half OB as x into x plus 2, right? If we put the value 4 into half into x 6 into 6 plus 2, right, is equal to 96 centimeter square, right? So area of the rhombus will be equal to 96 centimeter square. Okay friends, thank you.